Welcome guys. In this video, I will show you how to set up our environment. For that, I am using this virtual machine in VirtualBox. You can directly install on your laptop or desktop directly, but just for testing purpose, I am using a virtual machine. And what is virtual machine and how to set up VirtualBox and how to install operating system. For that, please check the video links provided in the description. So let me open Microsoft Edge. Present and open python.org. Here go to download section, and based on your environment, it will generally automatically fix. Click on. While I'm recording this video, the latest version is 3.9.6, but you can install whichever the latest version is available, or you can go to the releases section and install only this particular, so that in future if any syntax changes are there, you can either with this core structure by installing the same version. Click on Windows 64-bit and save. So let it be like this, and let me download one more software called PyCharm. You can download. It provides a visual environment with more advanced features, which is good for development. Professional edition requires license. Uh, for our course, community edition is enough. So click on download. While it is downloading, let's install the first software, Python. Click on the path and click on install now. So it will install all the points to C tab data, the users folder. Yeah, this PyCharm also downloaded now. Yeah, it got installed. Now, if you go to the start menu, you have a folder created with Python 3.9, and you have inbuilt editor idle. You can use that. But let's go with the PyCharm. So let me install this PyCharm Community Edition. Let's go with the defaults, and you don't need to associate anything, but you can keep this one. It will be helpful if for opening any project files. Just by right click on that folder, you will get this open with the open folder as project menu will come. Let me create a just ignore that, and just click next, install. While it is being installed, let's install uh, libraries related to our course. Just open command prompt and right click on this. Click on run as administrator, so that during installation, if any system level access is required, it will get automatically. It's better to launch the command prompt as administrator whenever you are doing any installations. The system is a bit slow. Now you type pip install just to check whether Python where exactly that Python is installed. Just type where and type Python. You can see our Python program files, the Python location where it got installed. Similarly, it will be PAP will be in the script stores. PAP is the software used to the utility provided by Python to install any third-party modules. So type PAP install pandas. You can install this pandas library from PyCharm also after creating a project, so that you can create virtual environments there, so that you will have a specific version of Python linked to your project, and also libraries will be downloaded only on the project folder. But as is a test machine, I'm installing these modules at system level, so that I can include the same with multiple projects which I create in this course. So it's downloading all the build files related to pandas, and along with the pandas, you see it's installing NumPy also, a linked library to that one. NumPy is used for numerical calculations mostly. The mathematical functions are linked in this one. So it installed. Just I'm selecting this one just to select. PyCharm. Let me do the initial license agreements, initial configurations and all. Viewers who installed a professional edition, it is a 15 days or 30 days trial version, I think. can use that also for testing purpose. You can open an existing project or clone it from a VCS, like a source code repositories like Git or Subversion or GitLab or anything somewhere. You can install extra plugins also from here. Internal. So you can create a new project from here. So this is with the environment setup. So next videos I will start with the concepts related to pandas. Thanks for watching this.